I need, I find.
Hey, afternoon,
Don't
y'all.
you know I made up my mind?
I just wanted to tease y'all.
So fine.
Cause my office is better than y'all's. I'm at work.
I'm never gonna let you go.
And I still get to hear my boy count. Yeah. Just taking a little break from work for a minute, looking at some weddings, some trips, some of my customers, and just chilling, listening to my music. I'm on the rights to the music playing in the background, but like I said, just came to give y'all a little bit of sunshine.
When you're near, all my pain disappears.
Sun come, yeah, man. Talk to y'all later. Take care.
No inhibition.